Come with me to get my gender reveal nails done. I know my nails look like crap, so let's go. Hey girl, hey. I paid a visit to my girl Han at Passion Nails and Spa. Let me tell you, the petties here and the full sets are amazing. You need to try them. So I go with the Huge, the Volcano Pedicure, and I chose the scent Lavender. Girl, it's hella relaxing. And my girl Han is over here working on my full set, and I'm so excited. I definitely want another boy this time around. I already have a 6-year-old son, and I would not mind another boy. Here are some snacks they brought me. It usually comes with wine, but since I'm pregnant, girl, I gotta hold off. So anyway, team boy, whoop whoop. And listen, I wouldn't mind a girl, but since I come from a family of nothing but girls, I think I'm good. But whatever God wants to send our way, I'll be happy. But tell me why I feel like I'm having a girl. I don't know, girl. I'm all over the place. All right, so here's a full set. Oh, so cute. And then I also went ahead and did my toes. I did pink on the left side and then I did blue on the right. What do you guys think I'm having? Let me know, and thank you for watching.